gosh, I think the further we are away from Westminster, the better. That's what I think. I think it's things which, for me, like I'm sort of sore for it now because you know, at the end of the day, look at the way we've been treated over this pandemic. It's been awful. You know, that government, and I like to say that government because it feels like that government. It doesn't feel like my government or our government. We've been neglected. So I just think, why shouldn't we be talking about Welsh independence? Like, because essentially that's what we're hurtling towards, whether we like it or not, whether it's now or in 15 years' time. It's going to happen. Something will happen, whether it's a referendum or whether we actually go on to vote yes. But, you know, I do see what's going on in Scotland and what's happened in Scotland. I feel murmurs and I feel something building right now. And it definitely feels part of something that is a really important discussion.